Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Glassdoor to compare LinkedIn offers and salary ranges, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Glassdoor for comparing LinkedIn offers and salary ranges, navigate to the Glassdoor website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in your email, create a strong password, and follow the prompts to complete your registration. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. On the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Type in the job title or company you're interested in and hit enter. Review the search results to find the specific role or company you want to analyze. Click on the job listing to view detailed information about salaries, reviews, and company culture. Take note of the salary ranges provided for similar roles in your field. Next, open a new tab in your browser and proceed to LinkedIn. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the Jobs section found in the top menu. Use the search bar to enter the job title or company you want to explore. Browse through the job listings and select an offer that interests you. Look closely at the salary information listed in the job description. Often, LinkedIn displays salary estimates based on data collected from users. Document the salary ranges provided by LinkedIn for comparison. Now, return to Glassdoor and compare the salary data you noted earlier. Identify any discrepancies between the Glassdoor and LinkedIn figures. Consider factors such as location, experience level, and company reputation. This will help you determine a fair salary expectation for your role. If you wish, you can also check for employee reviews on Glassdoor for additional insights. Take your time to evaluate all available information before making any decisions. By following these steps, you can effectively compare job offers and salary ranges using both Glassdoor and LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.